Hey everyone, this is the second day of my 21-day journey to strength training and fitness. Yung kahapon, it's actually nakakailang araw na rin ako pero kasi I saw a video, 21 days yung fina-follow niyang strength training by Dr. Stacy Sims na mention ko in yesterday's video. So yun, tinatry ko rin sundin yung video niya. It's a 21-day challenge. Pero nakailang days na ako. Pero just for the sake of this video and itong playlist, this is my second day. And strength training, tapos hinaluan ko ng konting HIIT exercise. High interval intensive workout. Intensive or intensity workout. Anyway, HIIT exercise. So yun, before I did the exercise, first nag-breakfast ako. I had coffee with creamer. Guilty ako sa maraming creamer kasi gusto ko ng creamy coffee. Although hindi ko siya nalagyan ng sugar, pero hindi talaga ako nag-sugar sa coffee because nililimit ko yung sugar intake ko. Pero mag-cream naman ako. So anyway, okay lang yun. And then, scrambled egg with small potato. Yung scrambled egg with diced potatoes. Tapos, dalawang small boiled corn. So, mais. Masarap kasi, bagong luto. Bagong laga. So, yun. And then, nag-chat GPT ako. Meron kasi ang custom GPT rather, na health coach ko siya. Health coach. So, I asked kung okay lang yung kinain ko. And then, I mentioned na mag-strength training with HIIT exercise ako right after breakfast. Pero after breakfast muna, nagpa-araw muna ako. So, maximize natin and make use of our free resources, which is the sun. So, 10 to 15 minutes of early morning sunlight. So, medyo hindi na siya early morning. 7:30 na ako lumabas. Dito sa gilid namin, kwarto namin. So gusto ko talaga na aarawan ako. Maitim na ako, okay lang yan. Pero yung sunlight kasi it's natural vitamins and nagigising ako, nalilengthen yung akin, napoprolong yung aking focus, concentration, and healthy for the bones. And free siya, di ba? Syempre, binigay sa atin yung ligat. So, gamitin natin. And then, after that, nag-exercise na ako, strength training. Ayun pa yung mat ko sa likod. Worth it yung pagbili ko dyan. Almost, more than a year na yan. It's rubber. Before kasi yung, anong tawag doon? Yung parang styro. Ang bilis na nasira pag nag-downward facing dog ako. Kasi before, nag-yoga ako. Dito lang din sa bahay. Pero to worth it yung pagbili ko dyan. Medyo pricey pero sulit siya talaga. And yung strength training ko, again, it's 10 pounds. Ito siya, dalawa. So nakikita ba yung 10 pounds na yan? Yan, 10 pounds. So yan, dalawa yan. 6 to 8 reps kanina. Tapos more on legs. Ako, good luck sa akin bukas. Sakit sa legs ko. Attend pa naman ako ng wedding. So, bahala na. And 21 days. So, tomorrow, third day. Siguro HIIT exercise na lang kasi I plan to do 3 times strength training pero hindi naman siya sunod-sunod. So, I did 2 days already na strength training. Tomorrow, na lang. HIIT exercise and rest muna sa strength training para magkaroon ng repair muna and recovery of my muscles. Tapos, I've learned yung whey protein, so susundin ko yun. Bumili ako sa Shopee. Medyo mura lang yung binili ko kasi susubukan ko muna. And titignan ko muna yung nutrition facts nun. And before ako talaga bumili ng mas quality or high-end, basta kung effective naman siya, doesn't matter kung magkano yung price na mura man or hindi, diba? So, yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share ang aking second day ng journey ko. And then after this, mag-work na ako. I'm also a freelance mom. I'm a web designer. Siguro mag-share din ako ng mga tips on how to balance your time and energy, juggle your your energy and your time between motherhood, yourself, and being a wife, and everything in between. So, yun lang. I hope mag-try din kayo ng fitness journey nyo even if you're in your 40s already, because that is very important. Not just for yourself, but siguro primarily for yourself. Tapos, syempre, your loved ones will benefit from that. So, have a great day and God bless.